On today's news, it's raining crowbars, and it's baffling scientists. Alright guys, so it's literally raining crowbars right now outside, and it's pretty dangerous to go outside. Huh, raining crowbars! Oh, that sounds like a imaginable fairy tale. Oh! I'm gonna eat the crowbar. Get in my mouth, crowbar. Oh man, looks like I'm eating good tonight. Oh! But what do the public have to say about this phenomenon? I'm angry because I tried eating a crowbar and it didn't taste nice. Ow, my tooth hurts! Alright everybody, today I am back. Whoa, oh! Everybody run for their life! I like it how I saved the day. Oh!